Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're managing projects in 2025, you need the right tool to keep everything on track. With so many options out there, choosing the best one can be a bit overwhelming. That's why in today's video, I'll be comparing three of the top project management tools out there: Trello, Monday.com, and ClickUp, so you can find the right fit for your workflow. Let's start with Trello, one of the most beginner-friendly project management tools out there. Trello's Kanban style board view, or the list view where you have your projects or your tasks as like cards that you move them around manually between the lists, is super easy to visualize tasks, drag and drop them between lists, as I told you, and collaborate in real time. Users on G2 love its simplicity, but some mention that its features can feel limiting for complex projects. While Trello does offer automation and integrations, advanced features require upgrading to the paid plans. However, the free plan is pretty generous, giving you unlimited amount of cards that you can use or tasks that you can use. However, if you need some extra features, you can go for the paid plans starting from $5 per month, and you get all the additional perks right here. So if you need a straightforward, no frills task manager, this might be the best pick. And this is the tool that I use personally to manage my YouTube channel and organize my video ideas. Next, we have Monday.com, a powerhouse in customization. Unlike Trello, Monday offers different views for the project, like timeline view, Gantt charts, and workload management, making it a great tool for larger teams. Users on Capterra appreciate its flexibility, but some say the learning curve is steep. And it is indeed steep because it has many more tools and views than Trello. Pricing can also add up quickly, especially for growing teams. But its scalability and integrations with tools like Slack and Google Drive make it a strong choice for businesses that need structure with customization. Finally, we have ClickUp, which is the all-in-one solution. ClickUp combines task management, docs, goal tracking, and even time tracking in one platform. It's incredibly feature-rich, which users on Trustpilot praise, but some say it can feel overwhelming at first. The free plan is one of the best in the market, and that is the strong point of ClickUp. Also, the paid version is pretty affordable, starting only from $7 per month. So if you want deep customization and don't mind a bit of a learning curve, ClickUp offers the best value for power users. So which one should you choose? If you want something simple and visual, go with Trello. Need structure with customization? Monday.com is your best bet. And if you want all-in-one powerhouse, ClickUp is the way to go. So what is your go-to project management tool? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you all in the next video.